This 2016 Forest River Wildcat 314BHX is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sandy, Oregon, 97055 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River and features Sleep 6 Slideout. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.